What is going on, YouTube? It is Willie Weasel here, and today we're taking the CR85 to work. I just got on break and I'm going to work. As you can see, I'm in my Family Dollar get up here. So we're gonna head to the dollar store and go over here and work for a little bit. You guys get to ride over there with me. The bike should have about 2 hours on it, so it should be almost completely broke in, I call it. Jesus. Yes, sir. Let's do a little pull. 4th to 6th. Man, these two-strokes sound so good. Make sure I don't lose anything. I gotta have my stuff for work. So if you guys and gals like videos like this, please be sure to drop a like on the video, as it does help out the channel tremendously. And if you don't like the video, hit the dislike button. That also lets me know that I'm posting bad content. But if you guys like content like this, please be sure to, whatever I just said, please be sure to smash the subscribe button wherever it's at, bottom right, bottom left, whichever side it's on. Because I post content like this all the time. There is some road work down here. I'm going to see if they'll let me just ride through, because I got to go to the dollar store to go to work. It's late as it is. Get out of the road, puppy. Sorry about that, brother. I gotta get to work. I gotta go down here at Family Dollar. I'm late for work.
Many minutes later.
Alright, boys, just clocked out. As you can see, we got the CR out here at the back of the old Family Dollar. We're gonna ride it home and get a little, I guess, Willie practice in, try not to eat shit. But let's see how it goes. Because there was people up here last time I tried it. There was road workers. But let's check it out. Look here. Look at this. Little playground. Not really a playground, but it is for me, I guess. think that's pretty fun, you know, just hitting random stuff on the side of the road. I know that side don't go anywhere. I've done tried. Some wheelie practice. Obviously, I'm not very good at riding a wheelie on a two-stroke, especially in 85. So let's try it. Gotta keep it in the band. It's kind of hard. Trail speed right here. Trying not to get smacked by Briar. Guys and gals, this is the end of the video, so if you enjoyed the video, please be sure to drop a like. If not, hit that dislike button. But if you do, please be sure to hit the subscribe button, because I'm always posting content like this weekly. But let's get a good tuner wheelie in. Let's try to chop the throttle, do a little tune, they call it. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.